Okay, so this was completely unexpected, guys, and as you might have already seen today's video's title, I got some special packages delivered from Intel. The box is right over here, and if you're thinking how do I know it's from Intel, well, there was a big label to the side that says it was shipped by Intel from US. It was an international shipment, guys, and I'm like very excited right now because I have no idea what's in that box over there. It just says my name on that. See, a package from Intel means that there is definitely some sort of CPU or maybe a lot of CPUs, I'm not sure. And during this period means I'm assuming or I'm guessing that it is their brand new 10th gen CPUs only, but not sure which model or which variant is that. So that is making me very curious. And along with this box, guys, there was actually one more box in the shipment. This is the box that I got. It's a very big box and is a bit heavy also, says ASUS to the side. So I'm assuming there is an ASUS motherboard, a new motherboard that will be paired with this new CPU. I'm not sure about the model, we'll be seeing that in this video. So these are the packages I got, guys. So I'm like very excited. What we'll be doing is I'll be quickly unboxing and show you what we got in the package. So let's get started. Alright, so this is a package that we got from Intel. It's a plain black box with my name on top of it. Let's quickly unbox it and see what Intel has sent us today. A special package from Intel during this period can only mean one thing, guys. I'm pretty sure the box has some brand new 10th gen CPUs, but no idea which variants they are. Okay, so let's quickly unbox it and see. Oh, you guys see that? A blue colored box from Intel that says 10th gen core on it. Well, that's it, there is nothing else in the package. It's a small square box in blue with the Intel's 10th gen branding. Now that is making me very excited. Let's open it and see what do we have in there. Oh my god, are you guys seeing what I am seeing? Yes, we've got some brand new CPUs on the inside. Covering them is a blue plate with the Intel logo on top of it. And here you go, guys, this is what Intel has sent us today. Two brand new 10th gen CPUs from them. That was a complete surprise for me and I totally did not expect this. Over here it says gaming happens with Intel, and as you can see the Intel team has sent us a brand new 10th gen i5 as well as a monster i9 CPU. Let me just take them out of the box and show you. Now this looks like a packaging made specially for the reviewers. I don't think the retail packaging when you guys buy it will be like this. We'll have to see about that. So there you go, our much awaited Intel's 10th gen i5 and i9 in my hand. Let me open these tiny boxes and show you the CPUs. There's nothing else in the box except the CPU, and here it is, Intel's new i5-10600K, which is a 6-core 12-thread CPU with a base clock frequency of 4.1 GHz and a max turbo frequency of 4.8 GHz. It comes with a lot of upgrades and features over the 9th gen, has built-in Intel UHD 630 graphics and a TDP of around 125 watts. Let's also check out the new 10th gen i9 CPU. This is a total beast in terms of gaming, guys. Intel says that it's the world's fastest gaming CPU, having 10 cores and 20 threads. Base clock frequency is around 3.7 GHz and the max turbo clock is an insane 5.3 GHz. And yes, even this has a TDP of around 125 watts. So that was our unboxing and first look at the special package Intel has sent us. Now along with the CPU, they've also sent us a brand new Z490 chipset motherboard as well in a second package. This is a top of the line flagship series motherboard from ASUS, the ROG Maximus 12 Extreme. It's a very expensive board and guys, I'm telling you, it's the ultimate choice of motherboard for your new Intel CPUs. It was designed to bring out the maximum performance by offering you features like AI overclocking and is made specially for all the water cooling PC enthusiasts, hence the name Extreme. The board offers a lot of features like robust power solution, a live 2-inch OLED display on it, complete aluminum heatsink cover, and even features next-gen connectivity options. This is like a dream motherboard for all the gamers. Let me quickly unbox and show you what's on the inside. So on opening it, we've got the motherboard at the top. Let me take it out and show you. Holy smokes, now that is one beautiful looking board. So let's keep it aside for now and see what else we got in the package. There's a document box at the top that says thank you for purchasing this ROG motherboard, and below that we've got all the other accessories like SATA cables, Wi-Fi antennas, fan extension kit and stuff like that. So let me keep this aside and show you the board. Holy moly, the board looks gorgeous, right? Just check out that finishing. Wow, we've got the ROG and Maximus branding on the front, and it even comes with a premium aluminum cover at the backside. I can't wait to build the most powerful gaming PC using these components. Well, that was my video on the special packages that we got from Intel. We've got Intel's brand new 10th Gen i5, 10th Gen i9, along with a brand new Z490 flagship motherboard from ASUS. So I won't be going in depth and talking about all the new features and technologies introduced in these 10th Gen CPUs. That's because I've already made a dedicated video talking about all the new features like Max Boost Turbo 3.0 and Thermal Velocity Boost. What are they? How do they function? What benefits you get? I've already explained everything very nicely in my previous video. I'll just leave a link to that in the card above. See, in case if you're planning to buying this new 10th Gen CPUs, you have to check out that video, guys, because it's very informative. And that was about the CPUs. Coming to the Z490 motherboard, the ROG Maximus 12 Extreme. I've also talked about this in the video as well, like it features a new LGA 1200 socket made specially for the new 10th Gen CPUs and features really awesome features that I've already mentioned earlier in the video. So using these components, guys, we will be building some amazing PC builds in the coming few days. So you can expect a lot of Intel builds, Intel gaming PCs. So I'll be doing a lot of builds with the i5, like 50,000 builds, 60,000, 70,000 gaming PCs. You guys let me know the price segment, price budget, and I'll use some specific components and build these PCs for you. And using the i9 and this ROG Maximus 12 Extreme board, I will be doing an all ROG Ultimate Gaming PC, guys, where I'll be using most of the components from ROG and very powerful parts like RTX 2080 or maybe 2080 Super, 2080 Ti. I'll be using those level components and building the ultimate gaming beast. So stay tuned to the channel because you'll be seeing a lot of content in the upcoming weeks. Well, that's it for today, guys. I think it's time to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got to check out this special package. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.